Hey guys, just got a quick tip. Nothing with a car repair, but something that happens to almost everybody. I've got this car over here. I rented it to somebody. They spilled some sugary substance on it, and then this button, when you push it in, it does not come out. I've seen it a lot on BMWs and stuff. It's a very simple trick. All you need is a little bit of sanitizer and then tweezers. Trying to do it with one hand, so bear with me. You can also get a file or something thin. So what we're gonna do is a little bit of sanitizer. Slowly go inside. Do not use too much sanitizer because we don't want it just go slowly around it. I like to have the heat on in the car. This way the sanitizer evaporates a little quickly. Much better. Leave the heat on for a little bit, let it dry out. You don't want it getting to the electronics. That usually takes care of it. So just a quick tip. Thank you for watching this video. Please support, like, and subscribe.